Hi everybody, today I was going to do this experiment and film it, but what I did, I just screwed up. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So I blew up a balloon through the guy, taped it, and here I found that, okay, I didn't put water in it. So after that this happened. You can see frustration in my hands, my face too. And here we go for the next round. I poured water in it, put it here through the guy again and taped it, and here you can see the big show. Water everywhere. Terrible. Look at me. How hopeless I am. Don't do it at home.